David, what are you doing?
I'm working on my car.
We have toilet paper to get and other things. We're out.
But I have to work on my car. It's Sunday.
I don't care. We have to go.
Babe, we have toilet paper.
No, we don't.
Oh my God, I'll show you.
Let me see it.
Okay, babe, we don't have toilet paper, but we have paper towels.
You're kidding, right?
It's the same stuff. It's tissue paper. Paper towels, same thing.
You can't flush that.
Babe, we have to save money for wheels. Here, wipe your ass.
Babe, what are you doing now?
I'm about to clean my car.
No, we have errands to run. We have other things we need to buy.
Well, you're right. We're almost out of wheel and tire cleaner.
Why? You have all-purpose cleaner right there.
Yeah, but all-purpose cleaner and wheel and tire cleaner are two different things. This cleans everything. This cleans specifically wheel and tire.
Oh.
So we have to go get this.
Okay.
Babe, let me get ready first. Oh crap, I'm almost out of toothpaste.
Babe, why does it look like you need new toothpaste too?
Babe, there's plenty left. We gotta save money for car parts.
No, babe, this is ridiculous. Stop. Babe. No. Let's see, what else does he need? Oh, babe, you need body wash. You're out.
Oh, I don't. Look.
What are you doing? No.
Baby, you do this when there's a little bit of soap left in it. Shake it up. Look.
No, babe.
This will last me another week.
That's literally water.
That'll last me another week.
Babe, what are you doing now? We have to go.
I gotta change my shoes real quick before we go.
Babe, now you need new socks? What is that?
What's wrong with these?
They have holes in them.
I know, but they still work.
Oh my, David.
These look pretty good. Oh, these ones come with tires. You have 4 wheels, 4 tires, your front skinnies, 17 by 10 in the rear, $3,729.99. Boom, right in my budget.
Okay, babe, so what are we buying?
We need a wheel cleaner, and what else? I forgot. That's the only thing I needed.
No. You need toothpaste, you need body wash, and socks. Probably underwear, but we won't go there.
Are you fine with the paper towels, or do you really need toilet paper?
Yeah, we definitely need toilet paper too. I forgot about that one.
$4.97, $188. Oh shoot, 97 cents.
Really?
Let's get this one. It's 97 cents, bro. 47. Oh, 97 cents. This one okay?
David, what are you doing now?
I'm getting wheel and tire cleaner.
We are no. What is this?
That's a Washman. I need another one.
No, you have plenty at the house.
Wait, I don't have enough stuff. Do they sell singulars of these?
Babe,
or do you have to buy the pack?
Stop. Buy the pack and don't be cheap.
Okay, we've got 12 rolls, $12.48. That's a little too expensive. 12 rolls, $5.98. Still a little too much. Oh, here we go. $2.48. This one? You want a better one?
Better than this.
Okay, let me see what we got here. Now we're 68 cents. Here, we'll just take a couple of these. 68 cents. Kennedy, why are you so mad?
Really? You're asking me that?
Yeah, seriously, why are you so mad?
You're so cheap when it comes to yourself. When it comes to your car, you'll literally spend any amount. You just spent $3,729 without shipping on wheels and tires, and then we tried buying toilet paper, socks that yours had holes in, and you won't spend money on that. I don't get it. I'm done with you.